Today's leg training session is focusing on foot placement and different knee biomechanics while performing the hack squat. Team Dallas member Courtney is going to be demonstrating the same exercise. Her thought process is screwing her feet into the ground, pressing out on her knees as she works the lateral sweep. We actually perform this leg training session in a superset format. Here you can see me demonstrating a split leg deadlift. I'm focusing on making sure the bar is moving out towards my knee and leading down with my glutes. Here's a better angle of Team Dallas member Courtney demonstrating the same exercise. Second foot setup for our hack squat exercise is a neutral, clean stance foot placement with outward knee biomechanics. As you can see in the demonstration that Courtney is about to do, that her feet are placed slightly outward, heels are in, and her knees are moving out towards her toes. Once again, these exercises are done in a superset format, so I'm going straight from the hack squat into the split stance deadlift. Here's Team Dallas member Courtney demonstrating the sit-up and the same exercise that I performed in the previous video. Thanks to Team Dallas member Courtney for this awesome downward angle where you can see in my setup that I have my feet as wide as they can possibly go with a outward toe placement and heels in. And here's Team Dallas member Courtney demonstrating the same exercise with the same biomechanics. Here's me taking a page from Courtney's recording angle of our last exercise and trying to show the upward movement in the split leg deadlift as she performs it. So the next exercise that I'm about to demonstrate is a Team Dallas creation. Me and Courtney came up with this movement where we are curling up and curling back to both parts of our hamstring. In the demonstration that you're about to see by Team Dallas member Courtney, she is using a wide feet placement but neutral. We also changed the different variations to this exercise as you are about to see me demonstrate in the next video. In this variation, we have the toes pointed in so that we are working the medial part of the hamstring. Here's Team Dallas member Courtney demonstrating the same exercise. Thanks to Team Dallas member Courtney for this awesome demonstration. This variation of this exercise is toes pointed outward, working on the lateral outside portion of the hamstring. Thanks for watching today's leg training session with me and Team Dallas member Courtney. Hope the information and tutorial gives you a better understanding of what it is we're trying to accomplish when we're training. Follow Courtney on Instagram AmFit 2014, and me, IFBB LG9.